Hello, I'm going to apply a turmeric and buttermilk mask to my dark circles under my eyes. I don't know, I'm not too confident about it because I think there are different reasons. Well, I know there are different reasons why people have the dark under eye circles. And I'm pretty sure mine have to do with the fact that you can see the veins coming through. And I think there's something about like the pooling of blood or something. I don't know, but I'm very veiny, so I have a lot of blue that comes out under my skin. So I don't see how turmeric, which is brightening for the skin, yes, but I don't see how that's going to affect, the veins underneath. It probably won't. But if you have dark under eye circles due to like sun damage, then this would be something that you would definitely want to try. And hey, I mean, maybe it'll work. We'll see. I'll be back. Okay, so I made way too much, and so I ended up just putting it all over my face because it's going to be a nice brightening mask for the whole face anyway. So this isn't gonna be exactly what I thought it was, but I put a tablespoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of buttermilk together, and I had all this. So I would say use a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of buttermilk if you're trying this at home for just the under eye area. Okay, I'm leaving this on for 15 minutes and I'll be back. So here's what it looks like afterwards. I don't know, I can still see um, the dark circles. I feel like my skin does look brighter. I haven't put anything on it. This is just like right after taking off the mask. And then I washed it with my favorite facial cleanser, which is Indie Lee, Brightening cleanser, I think is what it's called. And yeah, I mean, like I said, you can see the veins still. But, and there's kind of like a little yellow residue. Turmeric stains, like it stains everything. You can see some of the yellow still stuck on my skin. It'll go away off skin. It won't go away necessarily though off porcelain or off cloth, so your clothing. So do be careful when using turmeric. But yeah, I don't know. I think it helped a little. Maybe even just like imparting that little bit of yellow under my eyes offsets the blue. I don't know. I'll have to see before and after. Okay, gosh, this always gets so close. So this is what my skin looks like after putting on like moisturizer and some tinted SPF, and I put a little I think is what it's called, under eye cream. And I think now that I've put everything on, my skin and the under eye circles do look better after the turmeric and buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use water if you really need to. Theoretically, honey would be a good mix because honey also lessens dark spots. But I imagine that would be a nightmare to like actually mix together, and it'd be really easy to stain things. So I don't know. Up to you if you want to try that. I'm not going to. But just plain milk, anything that has, or yogurt, kefir, dairy has, lactic acid. So the acids are really good for your face. So that's why you want dairy if you can. And otherwise, yeah, let me know what you guys are using. Oh, if you are going the water route and you happen to have some tea on hand, you might as well make it like a green tea or chamomile tea. That would be even better than water. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.